Cause y'all know it's stinking here. I don't look like she was cooking to me. Tell me something, she cooking. That bitch won't cooking. She won't cooking shit. There ain't no pot. There's a pot on the floor. Like, what you cooking? Oh, that's what they was doing. Oh no, I heard he was beating her ass. And I feel like the boy did something to her and she covering for that nigga.
Yeah, she did.
This is disgusting, bruh. This is disgusting.
Look, she got new outfits and her birth certificate all on the floor and shit.
Look how they don't knock the dick. Bruh.
This the little girl when she had on.
Yeah, what them shoes that they said that she had on? These the blue shoes they said that she had on when she went missing. Them bitches in the house in the drawer. Now tell me that ain't enough evidence right fucking there. These motherfuckers lying. They killed that little girl. That shit fucked up, bruh. She's on zoom out. Let me see. I can't zoom out. No, this ain't how you live. This is not how you live when you got fucking kids. Regardless if she had clothes or not, this is not how the fuck you live. This is dirty. Ugh. They don't look. They fighting and shit, knocking down doors. Got her baby birth certificate all on the motherfucking floor. What it, man? They shouldn't let them tag her ass just a couple of times. Got the baby little thing on the thing. She don't give a fuck about. These apartments need to be turned the fuck down. Do everybody's apartment look like this? Or just this theirs? My apartment look like a little bit, but mine's bigger.